Hello traders, today is Wednesday the 23rd of August and we are going to do three things. We're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started. So yesterday, guys, there was only the one trade idea we were looking at, and it was Euro Yen. Okay, and we were looking to buy it. So why were we looking to buy it? Well, it was in an uptrend. Yeah, it has retraced down to this important support level through here. Okay, you can see it was once resistance, and then what was once resistance becomes good support. Okay, so we had some support, we had trend with us, and we also had this nice bullish candle. Okay, so we were looking to, capitalize on this bullish candle and take price higher to this blue line to be exact. And as you can see, guys, it was a very bearish day. Yeah, so the market had other ideas. But if we go down to the lower time frames now, this is why it is so important to have your reasons to enter a trade. And one of our reasons to enter a trade is a bullish H1 and or H4 candle, because we need to see buy. If I'm trying to buy Euro Yen, we have to see buyers enter the market. Yeah, if they don't, I don't enter. Simple as that. It's just logic, guys, common sense. All right, and as you can see, it retraces down to this gray zone, but not a buyer in sight. Yeah, this isn't a buyer. Yeah, that's a buyer trying to get out of the way. And even down here, guys, that's not really a buyer compared to the previous candle. And to be honest with you, I'm in bed by this point. So none of these candles in here or in here told us to buy Euro Yen. So for that reason, guys, we just simply didn't have a trade. But, look how that kept us out of trouble. Some traders it comes down to their gray zone and they enter, yeah, with the idea to push it up. And then it just comes crashing down. So wait for that candle confirmation to enter a trade, guys. All right, and that was the only trade from yesterday. So the recap's going to be brief. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now, please. Also, smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Yeah, everyone, please smash the like button right now. Really help support the channel. Thank you very much. Right, trade for Wednesday, the 23rd of August. Before I do, let me tell you a few cool things our channel does. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. Okay, it's free, so come join it. We've got traders sharing ideas and knowledge, indicators, psychology, useful links, loads of things, guys. All right, so come join the free Discord channel. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we also have a VIP Discord channel. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions throughout the day, itchy nose. You also get my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right. You also get two other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. I give you exclusive content every week. And you get access to a fully qualified performance coach should you need it, guys. All right. So loads of value in the VIP Discord, guys. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the video description. Next, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and I'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. Next, we have Simply Forex YouTube membership. So if you watch my analysis every day, you join us for the live streams, then why not show your support and become a member? It starts from as little as under $2 a month. And again, you get some really cool perks. I'll prioritize your questions on the live streams. You get exclusive content with some of the memberships. And other cool perks, guys. Finally, don't forget the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready. I'll see you later for that. Right. So let's focus on the trades for today then. Again, it's still a bit of slim pickings in the markets at the moment. And just to start, guys, I just wanted to show you the dollar index because, I know I've been prattling on about this level for a few days now. And it's still holding, because this is a weekly level. We're expecting a bounce off of this level. But look at yesterday's candle. That does not fill me with confidence to get a bounce lower. All right. The previous candles did. Sellers were coming in. But now look at that candle. So, that is US dollar strength. But we still haven't broken out of this level here. We still haven't broke it. So bear that in mind. But that is quite a strong daily candle. So, difficult to trade the US dollar majors as a result of this at the moment. It's really messing with my mojo, this dollar index. So, I'd rather it do one thing or the other. I'd rather it break out of here. Then we know, it's got a bit of room back up to these highs. Then we know we got US dollar strength, or we get a big bearish red candle that starts to take price lower. I hate limbo in the markets. Just wanted to show you that, guys. My first trade idea for today is this. It is Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. So if you want the slowest, dullest moving currency there is, this is the one for you. And this is, a lot of people trade Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar for that reason. It's very slow. It's not very volatile. So people like it. It's very well traded. Right, what are we looking at? So we're looking at shorts, guys, all right? Because as you can see, we're hitting this channel. Okay, hit it once, hit it twice, this channel here, all right? And it's already bounced off again. So the idea is, to potentially take it all the way back down to these lows, all right? And then if we look at the candles, guys, the candles are suggesting sellers are in control. Sellers, not a buyer. Even this is a selling candle, sellers. So the market is controlled by sellers as well. And yesterday's candle was very bullish. That's the impetus to keep taking this lower. And the idea, like I say, is to come down to here. This blue line is my target. All right, so that's the idea, guys. Let's have a quick look at the H4. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the H1. So the H1, we've got a couple of levels, a couple of things we can do. So we can trade this grey zone up here, which corresponds with these last H1 highs. And there's also price has reacted in here previously, okay? So if we get a reaction in here, a bearish reaction, we can then start selling this pair. Okay, I would take it back down to here, take some profit, and then let some profit run. All right, that's what I would do. Okay, and when I say bearish reaction, guys, by now I'm looking for a H1 or a H4 candle that is telling me sellers have taken control of the market. A very bearish candle to tell me sellers have taken control. We have had this candle. All right. So this has come off of our highs here, and that would be a candle that I would enter on. But I'm going to wait for the UK market to open, and then maybe I'll just trade the next bearish H1 candle because we've already got our our setup really. But I'll wait for the UK to open. All right. So that is a potential trade. And also this, guys, so maybe we don't get in on this and it comes down and we're like, oh, we've missed the trade. So what we can do is wait for a break of this level through here. You can see these lows here, have kept holding even here. Okay, so what we could do, guys, is wait for price to come down. Yeah, maybe it messes around a bit at this level, and then we get a break. Whether that happens today or not, we shall see. Yeah, but, you know, we could wait for this setup, a break of this level, retest, start selling it in here. All right, guys, so Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar short. We've got a couple of ideas where we can short it from. And the next trade idea is this. You know, I do keep an eye on the indices. Obviously, you should, because you want to know the state of the economy, you know, and the indices tell you this. But the NASDAQ, I think we've got a really nice setup here. So if we go to, let's start with the weekly chart, because this will give you confidence. Okay, so on the weekly chart, guys, we've just, you know, we are in an uptrend. Yeah, but ever since we've hit this level here, just been, look at these candles, bearish, bearish, bearish. And I think potentially we've got room back down to the moving average 20. Okay. But my target's a little bit more conservative than that. Mine's this level here, this 4710, which is these last lows here. And then what are we looking for? So if we go down to the day chart now, we just want to see what the day's doing. So the weekly says we can sell this because of all those bearish candles. And then, you know, the day chart sort of supports that idea because we're in a downtrend. Yeah, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that's in a downtrend. And we're at a very nice level here, which is these last lows. Yeah. So how many times does this happen, guys? Honestly, how many times? So this was once support. When it breaks and retests, it becomes good resistance. I say this pretty much every week, if you only traded that pattern, you would have some success. So if you haven't got a strategy, that's your strategy. Just trade it. I mean, look at it here. Look, it was once support, breaks, retests, becomes resistance. Yeah, simple as that. Yeah. Look at this again. This level through here, breaks this level, comes back up, becomes resistance, comes shooting down. Comes back up, becomes resistance, potentially comes shooting down. Yeah? It's such a simple, beautiful pattern. It's almost as beautiful as Gal Gadot. So guys, yeah, this is what we're looking at. That's the setup, you know, and we've got a bearish candle. Yeah, not super bearish, but bearish. We've had a reaction at this level. So if we drop down to the H4, you can see we've had some quite bullish candles react at that level, which is what we want to see. Also, if we drop down to the H1 now. So again, we've got a couple of ways to trade this. We've got the, let's say, more aggressive way of trading this and the less aggressive way. The more aggressive way would be this. Yeah, so this is our grey zone, our daily grey zone. Price pushes back up into here. We get a bearish candle, a bearish reaction. Yeah, we can then start selling this pair. Okay, I'd probably take some profit here. Yeah, and then let some profit run. So that's the first idea. Retrace into this grey zone, bearish reaction. The less aggressive way would be a break of this level. Okay, so price comes up, maybe it bobbles around at this level a bit, and then bang, we get a break. Soon as we get a break, we can wait for a retest, and then we can take price down to this level. Okay, I would say this is even less riskier, to be honest. Yeah, because you're waiting for structure to break down. Okay, but both are feasible trades. Okay, so NASDAQ, we're looking to short that pair. Not that pair, that indice. And that's it, guys. Again, you know, difficult to find trades in the market. So they're my two trade ideas. Yeah, and if you enjoyed these trade ideas and you enjoy my analysis every morning, then come join us, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the notification button, and if everyone could please just take 1 second to smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps the channel. And don't forget the cool things we do. We've got free Discord, VIP Discord, we've got mentorship program, we've got YouTube membership, Simply Forex, get my teeth in, Simply Forex membership, and we've got the live streams, guys. All right. So check it out. It's all in the video description. Right, let's take a look at the news now. News for Wednesday, the 23rd of August. To be honest with you guys, we need a bit of news in the market just to shake things up a bit. You know, finding entries has been tricky, so I welcome news this week. So what are we looking at today? So I think all of these this services, not the French, but the German and Euro PMI figures. Yeah, they've only got 2-star ratings here. But at 8:30 London GMT and at 9 o'clock London GMT, we've got German and Euro PMI data. We've got services, composite, manufacturing. So all of these can really move the euro, guys. Okay. If we carry on down, we've also got the UK PMI data. So again, at 9:30, these three pieces of data together can really move the pound as well, guys. All PMI data, and PMI is like inflation for businesses. After that, guys, the next piece of news is this. At 1 o'clock, coming out of the US, we've got building permits. So again, this could move any US dollar pair. Also at 1:30, yeah, London GMT, these are important. So core retail sales and retail sales coming out of Canada. And we'll take a look at the reaction to these in our live stream. But yeah, these are important figures for the Canadian dollar. There's more news. We like news today. At 2:45, coming out of the US, we've got PMI data. And at 3 o'clock, coming out of the US, we got new home sales. Okay, and there's more. At 3:30, we've also got crude oil inventories. And always remember, crude oil, guys, can affect US dollar and Canadian dollar, and obviously oil. Yeah, the last one didn't need mentioning. So there you go, guys. Busy news day. I hope you've enjoyed the vid, guys. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you later on for the live stream. Have a great trading day.